Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and also tell you how you can put a picture in the comments in the TikTok app. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put your likes and write comments under the video. And let's get down to the topic. Please open the TikTok application. And let's say if you would like to add a picture in the comments, then I will start by saying that you can do it only to some video as a reply. So if you go to the comments section and you just want to, for example, write a comment, you can only write a text comment, add a checkmark, add an emoji, and that's it, but not a picture. That is, in order to add a picture, you will need to reply to someone's comment. To do that, just click on the comment that you'd like to reply to, and you'll have a camera image on the left-hand side here. Click on that. And it will take you to a section where you can make a video, like a 15-second, 60-second, or 3-minute video, or you can take, let's say, a photo. You'll also be able to add a photo from your gallery. Click Photo. And you can right here select photos from your gallery, absolutely any photo. Once you've selected a photo, click on it and click Next. Now you can also move a comment somewhere, or you can remove it if you need to. You move the comment to the side you want. You can also add some more text, you can add effects, you can add sound, and so on. After all the changes you have made, click Next. Now you just need to click on the next step, Publish. After that, your picture or photo image will be published as a reply to someone's comment, and other users in TikTok will be able to see your reply. This is the way, friends, you will be able to post a picture in comments in TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful and useful, friends. Please write your comments. Be sure to put likes, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.